Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk about typecasting in Java. Okay, what is typecasting? Typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another type. Why do we use it? Because typecasting in Java is crucial for converting between data types, ensuring compatibility, optimizing memory usage, manipulating data at a low level, and working with polymorphism in object-oriented programming. You will know about those things in more videos. So let's make some examples to know what is typecasting. In Java, we have two types of casting. The first one is widening casting, and the second one is narrow casting. In widening casting, we do it automatically. Um, the syntax or the formula is very easy. You just have to do the assigning. There's nothing else. But when you are working with narrow casting, you are coming from a larger type to a smaller size type. You have to do it manually. You have to declare that which type you want to cast inside the parentheses. Okay, let's make example. We say we have, let's make example for widening, okay? Widening casting. Um, we want to go from integer to double, okay? From a smaller one to larger one. So it is widening casting. We say int my integer equals to 12. Double my double equals to. Now you can see we assign this value that we have 12 to double. So here we just have to name the variable that we have, my int. This is done. We have done the widening casting. Very easy. Now let's see the result. We say my my integer value is um, my int my double value is so. Let's run the code and see. As you can see, my integer value is 12 as we declared, as we assigned in the first um, line here. When we cast it to double, the value is in decimal part. So we have decimal point 0. So it is casted from integer to double. We have done the casting from integer to double, from a smaller data type to bigger one, to a larger one, which is then automatically. By automatically, we means just this one, signing. We didn't do anything else. It is straightforward. So it is widening casting. Let's work on narrowing casting. We say um, double my double equals 12.34, and we say um, uh, int my int equals to my double. Um, as you can see, we get a red line here. Why? Because when we want to do the narrow casting, it is not done automatically. We have to mention that why, which data type we want to cast in. So here we, inside the parentheses, we just type int. As you can see, very easy. In narrowing casting, we just have to do this part. Inside the parentheses, we want to say that, okay, this double, my double, is going to be casted in integer and be assigned to an integer named myInt. So let's print this. Okay. As you can see, for my double, we have 12.34, and for integer, we have 12. This decimal part is removed because in integer we don't have the decimal part. It is casted from a larger data type, which is double, to a smaller data type, which is integer. Here, okay, double to integer. This is narrow casting. um, I hope you have understand this. It is very easy. Let's make example for character and integer, because uh, um, you may have wondering how we can cast from character to integer, or integer to character. Um, okay. When you want to go from character to integer, obviously, as you can see, the character is smaller than integer. The character is smaller than integer. So we have to do the widening casting. We say, okay, we have character, my character equals to character b, okay? And we say we have an integer, my integer equals to my character. As you can see, this is done automatically because we are doing the widening casting. Now let's print the result. So the character value is b. As you can see, we have b. For my integer value, we have 66. Why? Because as I told you in the uh, previous videos, uh, each character we have an ASCII table for. sorry, we have ASCII table for characters. So in that ASCII table, we have different decimal values for each character. For example, A, B, C, question mark, dot, slash, mm, plus sign. For each of these character, we have a decimal value. So when we say 66, this is the ASCII value of B. B and 66 is equal to each other according to uh, ASCII table. Let's do the opposite one. Let's cast from uh, integer to character. We say that integer is bigger, so we say that um, integer my int equals to uh, 68, for example, and we say character my character equals to uh, my int. We have to do in the parentheses to say, okay, this should be casted into character, because we are coming from integer to character. We have to mention it here. Sorry, I have to write also the print comment. My character value is yes. As you can see, my character is 68 is casted. This number 68 is casted to character, and in character we have this value as D, and in my integer we have it as value 68. So this was the typecasting. Um, it is very easy. You just have to remember which data type is larger and which data type is smaller. Then you can do the casting easily. In the next video, I will talk about um, Java operators, and then we will talk about methods and so on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.